Welcome to everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss history, third lesson, World War II. In Europe, the war was fought by the Allies against Germany and Italy. At the same time, in the Asia Pacific, the war was fought by the Allies against Japan. Pearl Harbor during the year 1941. Okay, so it is one of the place. It is territory of Hawaii. It was located America. Okay, so this incident was happened Pearl Harbor during the year 1941. On December 1941, Japan attacked American naval installation. So what is naval installation? It is the place of naval area. So Japan attacked the American naval installation in Pearl Harbor. It was located territory of Hawaii. Without warning, Japan attacked America. This idea was to cripple America Pacific Fleet. Why Japan attacked America? Japan can control America Pacific area. Then only Japan easily can capture Southeast Asian country. So only Japan attacked American Pacific area, thus Pearl Harbor. Many battleships and numerous fighter planes were destroyed by Japan. The United States declared war on Japan. When Japan attacked America, later the United States declared war on Japan, with Britain and China also joining with United States. When United States declared war on Japan, later Britain and China also joined with United States. So this brought together both the Asia Pacific and European war for the purpose of common cause. Okay, so two war, one is European, another one is Asia Pacific. So this brought United States and enormous resources into the war as part of the Allies. Okay, so when America entered the war, United States have enormous resource. They joined with Allies country. Okay, they have more enormous resource. So later United States joined with Allies country. Japan's aggression in Southeast Asia. The Japan had spectacular success, which means numerous success, very high peak success. They planned to extend their empire. So later Japan has become spectacular, very huge success, and they plan to extend their empire throughout the Southeast Asia. And they got success. They captured Guam, Philippines, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaya, and touch East India, Indonesia and Burma. So those most of the places got by Japan. Battle of Midway and Battle of Guadalcanal 1942. The US Navy defeated the Japanese Navy in the Battle of Midway and Battle of Guadalcanal, because first Japan only entered the war against the US, later US declared the war against Japan. So US Navy successfully defeated the Japan in the Battle of Midway. Okay, it is given the big success for the Allies country. The Battle of Guadalcanal, Solomon Island. Okay, the Battle of Guadalcanal, where it was located, Solomon Island. There also US defeated Army and Navy, combined forces defeated the Japan. So this war was continued several months. So later Japan defeated Battle of Midway and Battle of Guadalcanal. After this, American forces again retake the Philippines. The American forces retake the Philippines and gradually the Japanese were thrown out of most of the conquered territory. For example, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaya. So this all Japan captured the territories. So later they pushed back to the conquered territories. In 1944, the combined British and Indian army were able to push back the Japanese. They tried to attempt invaded the northeast of India. They tried to capture northeast of India. So combined British and Indian army pushed back the Japanese. And later China also joined with army forces. British, India and China. Three together joined and pushed the Japanese out of Burma and given the independence of Malaya and Singapore from Japan country. Hiroshima and Nagasaki. See the picture. So this is atom bomb. America attacked Japan, the place of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, August 1945. As a top secret project for this atom bomb, America top secret project for this atom bomb, using the latest scientific advances, the US developed the atomic bomb. It is immensely more powerful. Okay, it is conventional explosives. So compared to before, so this is a more developed atomic bomb. Okay, so it was the top secret project. It is more powerful atomic bomb. The Japanese general refused to surrender, so that finally the US dropped atomic bomb on Hiroshima. But again Japanese still refused to surrender, so that America again atom bomb was dropped on Nagasaki. Okay, so before Japan refused to surrender, so they put the bomb Hiroshima. Later also Japan refused to surrender, they put the atom bomb Nagasaki. It is one of the places in Japan. So later Japan ultimately announced surrender on 15 August 1945 and formally signed 2 September 1945. So it is bring the end of World War II. They started the World War II 1 September 1939 and later Japan surrendered. They made the treaty. Again end of the World War II 2 September 1945. Effect of the war. After end of the World War II, the political countries are became the two polar region. After end of the World War II, many fundamental changes. They brought many fundamental changes. The superior power became the two polar region. One is United States with the against anti-communist ideology and other one is Soviet Russia. Both superpower became end of the World War II. Okay, one is United States, another one is Soviet Russia. Europe and divided into two. One is communist, another one is non-communist. Okay, Europe also divided into two. One is communist, another one is non-communist. Next one, nuclear proliferation. So what is meaning of nuclear proliferation? Which means the superpower of America and Soviet Russia increased their atom bomb, increased their weapon. It is called nuclear proliferation. So which are the country? One is United States, another one is Soviet Union. Both also entered in the competition and increased their weapons. Okay, so that later the country they spend lot of amount for maintaining their defense. Okay, later many countries they spend for the defense lot of amount. Okay, many of the countries they spend the amount for maintaining the defense. Because of America and Soviet Union, they increased their weapons, increased their nuclear powered weapons. Next, international agencies. End of the World War II, they started the many international agencies like United Nations, World Bank, International Monetary Fund. So later the colonial power were forced to give independence. Which country they captured? India is the first country became the independence. Okay, end of the World War II, they forced to give the independence. Okay, colonial power were forced to give the independence to the colonies to process of decolonization. So India was the first to achieve the independence. Next one, Holocaust and its fallout. So what is called Holocaust? Which means many people are mercilessly killed. Is called as Holocaust. For example, the German Hitler killed most of the million people during the Second World War. Okay. So Jewish people are killed by Hitler during the Second World War. It is called Holocaust and its fallout. After Hitler came to the power, the Jews were persecuted mercilessly in many ways. They ill-treated many ways. So they deprived their civil rights and their properties, and they pushed to end of the area. The people pushed to live end of the city. Okay, border of the city. So the Nazis party, the German Nazis party, they declare the notion as final solution. Okay, for this final solution, many people are killed. So just many people are killed for because of Nazis party. The notion is final solution. Final solution means the Jews completely they killed. They tried to kill completely. Jewish people tried to kill completely. It's called final solution. This notion is Nazis party. Okay, Hitler party. So the word Holocaust, it is describe the genocide. Genocide means many people are killed mercilessly. It's called as genocide. So this is region problem. So based on the region genocide. Okay. So region, because just it is one of the region the people are killed. So it is genocide of nearly 6 million Jews by the German during the World War II. The Jews were scattered all across Europe. The Jewish people, they live in most of the places in Europe country. Okay. So Jewish people, they lived most of the places in the Europe continent, and the many became prominent in business. They are doing the business and performing arts and professional field. So this is their occupation. And one of the important businesses, money lending. Money means they are giving the amount to the others. For example, finance. So one of the occupation is money lending. So only many people, they not like the Jews because of this occupation of money lending. Okay, because if they are giving amount to others means again they have to collect the amount. In that time, very roughly they are doing for collecting the amount. So that most of the people, they not like for the business of money lending. So this used by Hitler, and he killed many Jewish people. Okay, more than 6 million Jewish people by the German during the World War II. So this problem regarding the Jewish people, the Shakespeare play the depict. Okay, play the depict as the Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice. Merchant means business. Okay. So the Merchant of Venice, the Shakespeare explained dislike and distrust of Jews among the people. Dislike means the people they not like. Many people they not like, and distrust. They won't believe the Jewish people, many of the people. Okay, apart from chess people, many of the people won't like the chess people. So it was explained by Shakespeare. The Merchant of Venice. Next, Universal Declaration of Human Rights. After this Holocaust, okay, Holocaust means the many people are killed, okay, especially deaf people. So after this Holocaust, the UNO started the charter. They pledged to promote the universal respect and human rights and fundamental freedom for all the people, regardless race, sex, language and religion. Okay, so after this problem, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, they started the United National Organization. They assured given the independence, freedom, fundamental rights, self-respect, dignity, regardless race, sex, language and religion. The UN effort to protect human rights and global basis resulted in the constitution of UN Commission of Human Rights. Okay, so later they started the United National Commission of Human Rights. So this human rights declared Universal Declaration of Human Rights. There are 30 articles. So this Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted 10 December 1948. UNO adopted 10 December 1948. So this day you are celebrating the Human Rights Day. So when this United Nations Assembly formed, the leader of United National Assembly, the past President of America, Franklin Roosevelt, wife Eleanor Roosevelt. She is the first leader of this United National. Okay, so during the time, the Franklin Roosevelt was died. 12 April 1945, he was died. Okay. But the leader of this United National, the first time, President Franklin Roosevelt, wife Eleanor Roosevelt. The member of this commission was Malik of Lebanon, P.C. Chang of Nationalist China, John Humphrey of Canada, and Rene Cassin of France. So these are member of United Nations when they started in the world. So this one of the important work of United Nations is they declare the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. There are 30 articles. So this 30 articles, it was accepted by UN 10 December 1948. So in this day we are celebrating from 1950 Human Rights Day. So this 30 articles. So this human rights article, many of the country was accepted their constitution. So this articles, many of the country accepted their constitution. So this information given by Eleanor Roosevelt Institute in New York. Okay. So this information given by Eleanor Roosevelt Institution in New York. Many of the countries they accepted this Universal Declaration of Human Rights. They accepted their own constitution. Next one, birth of Israel. The major outcome of the Holocaust. So Holocaust means during the Second World War, the German Hitler killed many Jewish people. Okay, so the Holocaust was the creation of the state of Israel. Later they created the new state of Israel for this homeland of the Jewish people. While this was historically the original home of the Jews during the Roman time. Okay, so this Israel, it is one of the historical place of the Jewish people during the Roman time, and later they created the new state of Israel for the Jewish people. So birth of Israel. Okay. Next, recap. In this class, we discussed on December 1941, Japan attacked America in the naval installations. So the naval installation means naval place in Pearl Harbor. It is territory of Hawaii without any warning. Japan attacked America. US Navy defeated the Japan. For this incident, again the US Navy defeated the Japan Navy in the Battle of Midway and Battle of Guadalcanal. In that both places, US defeated the Japan. Okay, and many allies countries also joined with US. The word Holocaust, which means describe the genocide, nearly 6 million Jewish people are killed by Germans during the World War II. Universal Declaration of Human Rights, there are 30 articles. This UN adopted 10 December 1948. This 30 articles adopted by United Nations 10 December 1948. So in this day we are celebrating Human Rights Day. Next, read and learn the following. The home test, analyze the structure and activities the UN. Analyze the structure and activities the UN. I hope you understood this session very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.